so much things to say right now. So much. Portland, we got so many things to. I got so much. If you don't bombard me, you don't say, whoa, yo. Whoa, yo, yo, yo. Whoa, yo. Whoa, yo, yo, yo. All I never gonna hold them on the bomb. Let me see them again. Let me see some light in the morning. We'll light them there. We'll light them there. We'll light them there. Portland, check this. You cannot see them bad. Never go out there, man. Go, no, 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 no. Hold on now, man. A long time, man. You see me, I say. Anyway, Capleton I don't know from a long time. In a Vatican at the outer room, them have me on the screen. So them charge me for Lucifer blood. But me I say right now, righteousness chant for and a black people me chant for. I mean, also we have been brainwashed, educated and enslaved. And them chicken from my roots and my culture. Babylon even try to limit upon an education level to them give you O levels and PhD and then them lock you off and say, yes, whatever they taught you, that's what you know. But the real authentic thing where you know about yourself as a race and a nation and a people in terms of heritage and culture and philosophies and curriculum that never taught in the school, nor the institution, nor the college. So literally they taught us to become limited. But I am unlimited people. Oh, Babylon Forest strip my black woman for them royalty. And I want them to see themselves as no more princess, nor no more queen, nor no more empress. Babylon want to have them live like harlot and concubine. And then the man them see themselves as no more king, nor no prince, nor no prophet, nor priest. Them see themselves as men and popes and guy. I want to use myself to go down. Yeah, man, me born Babylon, that's what I say. Anyway, check the piece, It name, hold on now. Lock off the meter. This one you know if you play. So long go like you get slow. Anyway, any the same way. Oh, this and off right. Emperor Selassie, I am shine the light. So you see the heights, this and off the televise. But Portland youth, them still a go get wise. Out of the slum, now watch the youths, them arise. Them can't stop the Portland youth, them from survive. Yo, well again, so when them come bow ya, keep up fuckery. We just them out like powder. Emperor Selassie is the emperor. Man, hold on. So when them come bow ya, come keep up fuckery with us. Them out like powder. Emperor Selassie is the emperor. Man a real lion. Man a no renter. No Alice in a Wonderland fi come here come wonder. Things say Portland. Come here fi panda. Bun them cartoon and we go bun them Santa. Woman will ocean. Woman will pampa. One nature made one. None can divide ya. Watch it make me put all a fire pan Buster. Put another fire pan Donald Sangster. Put another fire upon the one when you share. Watch it make me burn down Deadwood Aga. Burn PJ because him don't want Lana. Burn down Michael Mandley and him father. Tell Bruce Golden, top conspire. Be a folk with them come round here, come treasure. So for black people, take it for them ledger. This a government only can run by Rasta. Burn Tony Blair and burn John Major, burn the Queen, the Pope and Margaret Thatcher. Burn Bill Clinton, Bush and Al Carter. White House before that area over. Burkina. Hold on. Me say a long time in a chant at Jamaica, you know. You hear me? Portland, I want to force hear that one. Me say like to the chalice and mud down the road. And Babylon get away. How would it say? Oh man, Melotion, man. How would it say? Oh man, Melotion. Bugari. Melofisi? Yeah man. But anyway, you hear me? The one you feel like the man we have support the ice grade from Portland. You see me I say? God show me say like the chalice and burn down the road. And Babylon think the fire sees. But them fire, what them can't take the fire over burn? How can a man suck a next man too? Them think they work, you know? No, you know that, you know. So we burn outside of this, you know. All of the man around if you burn inside of him say, go on, prophet. Say, Selassie, are you? Holy Emmanuel, are you? Marcus, are you? Clap on yourself, black people. Clap on yourself. Yeah, man, it's a joy. Clap Louie Culture, you know. Clap Louie Culture. Give me a nice round of applause. Yeah, man. Yo, I know hip hop tonight. The man who got to say, Louie Culture, man. I don't think I do them needing it. Yeah, man. Righteousness. It's good to be a supporters of righteousness. So they said, God, it exalt nation. You hear me? Give me a piece of the swarm and bounce it low. The one you name, the highest grade, highly scaling. Respect, bless, Mother Earth, you don't know? Hey, hold on to Portland, this is what I said. Hold it up, this is what I said, Portland. What am I smoking? Where me I smoke? More on to say the highest grade. You hear that? Take it. There we go. Hey, Portland, where me I smoke? Where me I smoke? Hey, Portland, yo, hey. When the ice cream surround me, I feel me asleep on the ice cream surround me. You are the ice cream surround me. I feel me look. Ask me when me smoking, me tell you what the best. Ask me again, me tell you is the highest. Which party come from? I down in the west. 150 pound of Portland, me come check. It good for your back, it good for your chest. Well, good inspiration, then your weed make you get. If you smoke then your weed, then you can't live to rest. Smoke then your weed, then you can't catch. Smoke then your weed, then you can't dissect. Babylon experiment, and you eat can't catch. I see lost thing and I know. Coke, I think that is great so loud. I think that is great. Better tell your girl, the ice great. May I play? Take it up, look. Take it on. Watch out. Well, ganja, the healing of the nation, was found in King's Solomon Garden. Ganja no make you weak, it only make you strong. Ganja give you good meditation. Ganja give you good vibration. When you smell the essence of good sensation, it's smoked by the pastor and the deacon. That means it's smoked by all Christian. Every principal and teacher smoke it when it's strong. And every student, them have a spliff in a them hand. That means, me have ganja hand. Of ganja foot, ganja meditation. We want ganja house, want ganja land, want ganja club, want ganja van. Right now me say me want a ganja woman for have some ganja baby. Push them in a ganja van. Yeah.
Capleton son, give me the jarrets, muscle please.
Yes, I'm real majesty, last year. Yeah, hold it in the fire, hold it. Yes, I'm real majesty, last year the first. Yeah, Rastafari, light a flag in the pink and and the top of Judah fletcher, that's last year the first. Yeah, Rastafari, Jamal, bless the people, I mean. Yeah, man, a dear brother, lead out, you know. Bless up King David, the prophet. Bless up Louie Culture, you don't know, a dear brother, lead out. Stop for look at David, come bless. Only man who likes, let's see, Rastafari. John, Marcus, let's see, Rastafari. Portland, run that and done that, you don't know, a dear brother, lead out. John Marlon, yeah, man, all of the earth, man, the lad. Big up Ellis Kelly, I don't know, dear brother, lead out. Run by the swarm, if you run by the swarm. Run that I've done that. I don't know what and I'll third time. I did a bit of solid up. Yeah, man, I did a bit of solid up. But the man I look when I'm at them. Yo, look, yo. The man told me something, me tell them I grade, yo. The man told me tell them Bob Joey, yo. The man told me name, me tell them the Molly, yo. The man told me King Elsie, like yeah, you know. Me tell them the Malo at the start for the show. Look when the Malo, oh, him at the limbo. I took for me and the minute to them, I go, oh, after the punch sign go, yo, wake up, stop that. Jarrett, fronter. Last year the first. Fireball, stop that. Run back the swarm. Portland, I don't know, one black loves. Let's see how you Rastafari. Watch your mother look for the people and tell them so. The one that brand new. Yo, the yo. The max one million, me tell them Jamali, yo. The max music in case till I see you know. Me tell them Jamalo at this star for the show. Look on Jamalo, oh, I'm at the limbo. I took from me, I just me not see them, I go, I saw the punchline go. Yo, wake up this morning, me and my friend Jamali, oh. Oh, we got to the eye, push up above, tight iron, and it one big bow. Set a little bunk, got never been a him and bow. Gunshot, they take him from him head to him, so blow, blow, at the boat, and them go. Come down, Jamala, come tell them what you know. Yo, I near after man children, I near after man children, I near after man children, and I hear chant down Babirang again, I near after man children, I near after man children, I near after man children, Paul and I chant down Babirang again, Rasta man pit near bat and safi, can't come a Rasta man, you're coming off it, and I trust the rest boy, nobody come chance it, Rasta to no play, no try for that. You get Rasta book and the boy can't read it, on your my Rasta phone, you're too ingredient. You not just no cook beef, not yet not gravy, me bun them to the mud, and the beat to the belly, and I find them up just like the blood thirsty but pull and a pressure with the top and calm, and I shy, really about the wrong thing, you might get red dog, man I kill them with curb black, better fear the law, sister slap, this and bread, the vulgar, we come from the mama and up in Africa, yeah me chant, yeah me slate, me bun bagawaya, but now what you call me, but now but if a car, but the whole of them more, let's look for them powder, who that's a count of gang living, yo, Jamie.
Yeah, man. Portland, you don't know. Well rested and refreshed. The man of Jamaican straight out of David House. Holy money, well, I Selassie, I Joe. Rastafari, you know, Rasta bless us. Yeah, man, you don't know Louie Culture. I'm say King David anyway you're there. Father Rebel. I'm say 7 and short man straight out of Canada. Enough love, you know. Run the same thing that I met them know where I go on. I'm say military man John here, you know. Yeah, man, Eileen Skelly. Yo, yo, yo. Me gonna bless up the princess them first now. Yo, yo. And then me tell them, say the princess need a royal prince. Portland, the queen them need a royal king. Me sing, the princess need, the queen them need, the princess need, the queen them need a royal. And then again, the princess need a royal prince. Portland, the queen them need a royal king. Me sing, the princess need, the queen them need, the princess need, the queen them need a royal. Cause them no want no lady, no big belly man like him a go a baby. Them go with stew, them no want no gravy. Them link Jamaican. So them run west baby, Bubba man them chill will under the shade. This I know if this I know but this I wanna know maybe them no one no west girl no Brady. Asian Rasta face Brady. Pass me the shaker make my purge out Jicey. Right on face the bout the Bubba with Licey. When them ya Bubba man ya so spicy. The princess need a royal prince. Me sing the queen need a royal king. Me sing the princess need the queen need the princess need the queen need a royal, and I want a rasta and go trim. We get up every day and all go Baba Jim. Me bun the twine up top and the land more rim. So that's why I'm not want the one Mr. Belly Brim. Now destroy the fruit, you can't grow the limb. Bongo is a feel long and a turban and thing. So princess you think of the physical teaching. Money well harder, John Marcus living. You remember me no be go over royal king. So me son just now stop sing. The princess need a royal prince. Me sing, the queen of need a royal king. Me sing, the princess. Yeah, come son, let me tell man, come bless. Yeah, man.
Hold it. Yeah, man. And I say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I, Joe Rastafari. I'm going to say all the supporters of righteousness. I'm going to say on in there. Friend of corruption, Portland, say blood thunder. Yeah, man. Yeah, me pop off piece at the show time there. You see all of the man them now in the house we are drink up good juice. And all of the woman them we are bear good fruits. They don't know in the road.
Silence now. Love for now. Ready? Like this. I'm like a puzzle every figure and a heart not for crack. A real love digger straight from Jam Rock. So call me dirty nigga so me can. Blessed. crack. A real nerve digger straight from Japan. Some call me dirty nigga, true me can't me straight locks. I'm smiling on my face, I want to stop me now. They walk out in a mouth and now you must see my big go down. Foundation from birth, all on the running slow. Raga raga gonna lead the jackpot. We know where I burn. When them say bow down low, you must see my big gonna do that. Foundation from birth, all on the running slow. Get a youth off the jackpot. We know where I burn. They say you go cross the far and I'm a flex. Yes. And then we go call my true friends next. Heal up all the female sex. Yes. We beat them up all if a batty boy big tracks. As a man we wear pants and shirt. The duty is to make love to the blouse and skirt. Yes, me we heal now hurt. No prospect to me virgin the birth. But from the woman them we not divert. It no hurt for us to this mama hurt. So grass run about and low. You must be man we cannot pretend. Foundation from birth. All for the running slow. Get a youth of future. We know where I work. When them say bow down low, you must be man we cannot do that. Foundation from birth. All for the running slow. Get a youth of future. But we know where I work. Me know we come, me know we talk. Up in a broad, down in a yard. Everywhere that you go, the bigger it's a job. It's a fraud, had the bar. No for them heading towards. Blessed my Lord, poor people from God. Now bow down low, you must be mad with God, not from dead. Foundation from birth. All for the running slow. Get a youth of the jackpot. Let me first. Let go. Let go. Yeah. I want to listen to Julia Kinley, you know. Sometimes you have some brethren. But you and them grow together, you know. And true, them feel say something go on for you so them get bad mind. See? Or true not now go on for you, them not deal with you. See? This is about my brethren named John. You know, I couldn't trust him to go on. After John said if you take him over yonder, but I don't trust the flex. Do how things I go. We grew up on the same old veranda, but I don't trust the flex. I John a blue man marrow. John said if you take him over yonder, but I don't trust the flex. Do how things they go. We grew up on the same old veranda, but I don't trust the flex. John a smoke the baseline. John is getting terrible, John is uncontrollable. John smoke his pipe and say that he can be invincible. John is on a high level, John smile and kill devil. John say he's a Gangalee, but when we see me see devil. I said we take him over yonder, but I don't trust the blood. Do all things I go, we grew up on the same old veranda. I don't trust the flirt. You know, everywhere John go run red. John do sleep, so him no need to buy bed. Hey, meditate him and lose them head. When John say me, John say who see dead. And John don't jump, so not this when he must stagger. John is not a punk, John is a raga raga. When John see me, him used to shout yaga yaga. We see him last week and him say, yo, braga braga. And I don't know what is on John's mind. When we are grow, John talks we are blind. Fly high or low, certain things that never change. No, John find himself in the wrong line. Oh, John calm, around the place warm. Every shopkeeper have the grease in farm. No informer could ever go a farm. No one dare to this the old tiger bomb. Every alarm, them a fi keep calm. The whole police station know what I want. And John say, me fi take him over yonder, but I don't trust the plan. Do how things are go. Break it!
Hold on, I put a fire on John for you. You know, me get to overstand some little guy with them pipe, they leave everything them love pop it off. Guys, reggae music, we check your black people. Music is a natural source of life, like when you eat food and you drink water. And water and food is the starve of life. You can't do without that. That's what I say. But the music even can play a more important role because we don't have the food and if you don't have the water, the music still sow the soul. So you have some little boy who go on like them one done black people fun. Every time them come and dance, them pop it up, bow, bow. Shut down innocent people. That's what I say. After what they are made in London. Queen send a little man come and shoot up with show because she has to Capleton chanting in London. Too much righteous youth. Too much so fire. Me just say, I hear me. Me get a new name for the man that I love pop it off. You know, them name is a Happy Go So Lucky, Chigga Happy. I think I want to chant this one a cappella. I don't want to read him. Name. Check you know. When you come and dance, you come take in some music and some nice dive. When you think you come on a wild west, you think this is the okay carol. When you want more pipe around here. So Portland just tell them this. Name. This a no wild west and a no okay corral. So we burn down them bullet and burn them pistol. And a wild west and a no okay corral. A Portland a burn funeral. Oh, me so because a lucky chigapi. Stop tell the ghetto youth them say you a John Gotti. Oh, me so because a lucky chigapi. Leave little thing the boy run down go back. Oh, me so because a lucky chigapi. Stop tell the youth them say you a John Gotti. Oh, me so because a lucky chigapi. Leave little thing the boy run down go papi. Bun Mr. Shatter and me bun Mr. Shatty. Allah tell me how much him don't have no pity. Oh, him shot Mr. John and shot Miss Matty. Shot down the dog, shot down the kitty. Shot out the milk from out of the coffee. Shot out the meat from out of the patty. Half of the babe when him shot off the nappy. And used to par with Sando and Natty. Him shot up police car, shoot up the ratty. When me check it out, the boy a real gun coffee. Buck up in the ratty, pop off the choppy. Not even a chance, him don't get fi backy. All over the place in Burns Smith like putty. I'm so because a lucky chigga. Stop telling the ghetto you are John. I'm so because a lucky chigga. Every little thing the boy run gang go backy. But Mr. Shatty, but Mr. Shatter. Allah tell me how much. Say that him a dapper. Allah tell me how much. Him a no gun tata. Outta man yoy. Him shut out the matter. Half of the buckle when him shut off the stopper. Shut out the pig from out of the trotter. Half of the babe when him shut the diaper. Oh, him used to par with Starkey and Kappa. When me check it out, the boy a real gun tata. Buck up in the ratty, pop off the chopper. Not even a chance, him don't get figure for. All over the place where the boy brains butter. Oh, mister, cause I look at you go. Stop telling the door. You watch out. Oh, mister, take it down. Mr. John and Mr. Tom. Of it so hard, through them all, kill man without cause, but them kill man a yard, kill man abroad. Long time me a tell mommy him bad like a yas. Mommy still no kill cause she said the boy guard. If him did guard, oh him dead like a dog. Well in a the wrong set a man him go charge. Buck up in a the ratty, give him a barrage. Mommy couldn't take this side of the mark. No she all she tears in a the graveyard. Yo this a no wild west and a no okay corral. Burn down the bullet and burn the pistol. No while we say no Louie Culture.
Go and tell them we not beg no sorry for. Come on now worry and no come there so fi ramp and play. Now beg no sorry for. Come on now worry must conquer them someday. Well the oppressor them oppress me when it's too clear to see. Man a lion from the jungle who is destined to be. Revolutionists who fight the battle musically, spiritually, physically, likewise mentally. Love shot me dolly. Me and my friend named Bally. And me come here come see coke and say like food in a trolley. A Philistine still no one low man tally. And the DJ them have malice still a fight against Pally. And reach who sign of the business still a keep up Pally. Can't stop Gangalee from reach him tally. So me now beg no sorry for. Come on now worry and now come here so fi ramp and play. Now beg no sorry for. Come on now worry must conquer them someday. Right now when everything I touch down to the nitty-gritty, when our prayers are in their calamity, woe be unto you corrupted city. Who are talk about love when you know have no pity? I see you practice voodoo and iniquity. And when you come with your evil of supremacy and forget Ethiopians equality, Rasta gonna touch you with more reality. Now beg no sorry for. Come on now worry and now come here so ramp and play.
Wait till it reach down in a the nitty-gritty. When Portland me say them nah have no pity. Tell Portland say them feel load up the country. Make the finger fire pan batty man shitty. Judgment take them in a this a calamity. No for take them money and a walk iniquity. No for them a live like a dog and puppy. No for them say them a walk in the way. Portland lift them up out of the. So me sing.
One time we ask them for honey, but them give me thirsty. Trouble continue. Me don't want your mercy. Now drink them water, no care how we thirsty. Now go bow out like the youth near person. No, my day will come to beat my drum. Get up off my bum for a reason. Ready to let you know, Jamaican think so. Every man a body and a see so. Now beg no sorry for. Come on now worry and no come there so feel ramp up.
Well Babylon, I I walk the people them for minimum. And I tell we say them increase minimum. If you increase the minimum, I don't need to go down. Then me ask them one to the maximum. Open on no mouth, speak up, we do no tongue. This a free speech, this a no freedom. Tell Babylon say that the fuck if we done. We don't want more money when Friday evening come. When Easter come, nobody buy them bun. Don't support them when Christmas come. Only rich man and alone, Santa Claus come. Famine, I'll take you when New Year's come. When the mothers and the daughters and the fathers and the son, them can't even sport, can't even have fun. Them have to put down everything for when the landlord come. When they talk about school fee, everything done. Valentine, come drink your blood like rum. Labor Day, Ash Wednesday, them lay by your dog. Independent, in a dependent like your dog. Louie Culture go burn Babylon down.
Tell them we not after we are cut and I got you. We know in no disguise, nothing is new. So we walk not done, so we are cut and I got you. And what see we kill them and we eat them waterloo. Hey, tell them not just Rastaman this time. A Rastaman up increase it all the time. And when we come burn down borderline. See they know I just get one time. The hypocrite system Rastaman mankind. Rastaman come front line. We don't make no sorry. No worry, you know
you want them can't get going up pardon. And then they go. Oh, give it again. One more fire in the morning now. Yeah. Louie Culture and the prophet is a black down road. Oh, yo, I done this. Yo. Them can't be going up pardon. And them they face them go hard. Sell out Portland, fish up and some fun. As them see we poop like a flash gun. Well, I heard can't be going up pardon. And them they face them go hard. Sell out the youth, them for Rima and John. As them see we poop like a flash. Take it up. Well, it don't make sense to run. Your head back a print, Pamina ya bingy drum. Emperor Selassie, him send we come. Nuff get the youth you hold down in at the slum. Give them all coke and give them opium. Give them gun to shoot, them wanna brother down. Lucifer 2000 just gone down. Fire me ya bun, pan them new millennium. Tell Babylon more me black curriculum. Tell Portland, say fi farm up the ground. Make the peace and the corn and the cocoa. Them come, but him and Sue start their man life love. No girl can't bear me that.
Babylon find me herb. I say it's a the best. I couldn't come and quote because they burn out me set. Me buy me herb. No me chalice me a bless. You come Mr. Officer I talk about a rent. I know the case call a officer not turn up. He couldn't turn up because he burn out his stuff. One big bag and him said that's not enough. Weeks up and weeks down. Me the inner lock up. You know I'm no evidence. The money off in a the cup. Money off in a the cup. And can't turn up. Portland, every case of the bus, them find the herb. I say it's a the best. Couldn't go and because
hey Portland, yo, light up the talents and burn it down, bro. Get it again. Louie Culture, Capleton, yo, Babylon.
Yo, sir. Me no want no gun to shoot me brother down. Me no want no knife to take me sister life. Me no need no gun to shoot me neighbor down. And me no need no knife to take me brother life. Well, pass me Miss Catalina and make we clear out corruption from India. And then pass me Miss Catalina. Right now, we know in a way them in. Me say, first make me chat to the media. And then to all the false leaders, how comes who no burn out sense in me? And when me look up here, cocaine come in ya. But me no want no gun to shoot me brother down. And me no want no life to take me sister life. And me no need no gun to shoot me neighbor down. Me no want no knife to take me brother life. Well, I them near Mr. Want It All. Them want we fi short and them fi tall. Them want fi bust big laugh and we fi ball. Them want fi run, them want fi walk left, we fi crawl. Yes, and them make things a go on so bad. So them go build up them mad house for food them bad. So me say, not even food grandma no have. So me say, look over the sign of me scandal back. Pass me, Mr. Dalina. I make me. Oh, you could have put on the winter in modern. Hey, hey.